Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in the markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.05 trillion. Down 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 36.9%. Looking at the overall markets right now, you guys can see we are starting to see a continuation of that green across the board, especially over the last 24 hours. Mainly what's going on right now is that the altcoin market is the one that has been continuously going in that green and outperforming BTC, because if we're talking to BTC specifically, Bitcoin is not looking too well right now. We're still in extreme danger territory, but overall altcoins are doing quite well, and the reason as to why that is because of Dogecoin hype, the meme coin hype, that has been creating a lot of excitement within the board. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we absolutely love on our channel. And this project is making some massive moves right now within the markets, and this project is none other than Harmony One. Harmony One family. If we are looking at the price right now, it is currently trading at 2 cents, up 9.3% in the last 24 hours. Oh, look, 10.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 9.3% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Harmony One's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 149 spot, with a market cap of $251.4 million. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 26.4 million. And now, why is Harmony One doing so well right now? That's the question that everyone's asking right now. 11% move towards the upside. Oh, wait, Crypto ZX, there was so much FUD across Harmony One. Harmony One is this, Harmony One is that. Why is this pumping? Well, I always say, good projects, strong projects are always going to go through hurdles. It's not always going to be perfection since, the launch. That's definitely not the case, because if that's the case, everyone's going to be extremely successful. Every single project is going to be extremely successful, but that's not the case. That's not how things work. And as far as Harmony One goes, they've had, very strong things that they've been able to do in a good way, but they've also had, some hurdles along the way, and that's going to be present. But I do believe this project long term has massive potential. So let's get right into the exciting stuff. But before I begin, I want to share this with you guys. So all credit goes to Maria. She posted this on Twitter. So dear Harmony, Harmony holders, Everstake is one of the biggest decentralized staking providers. Holders are choosing us because of secure and high quality staking. Let's check some numbers. So total staked amount of Harmony One is 39,297,163 Harmony One, and there's 286 delegators, and APY is 9.013%. Absolutely insane. And I always like mentioning this to you guys because this will help the price in a major way, and we will get into that later in this video. So keep this in mind, and let's get right into the charts and see what is going on with the charts and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So bringing the daily time frame for you guys, to give you guys a better picture as to what has been happening with the historic pattern for Harmony One, what has happened over the past few years. And you guys can see we had a double top. We had a double top happen once back in October 26th of last year, and then once again earlier this year on January 14th at 37 cents. And if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, since that 37 cents mark, we are down about 95% since all-time highs. And now you may be saying, so what is the excitement all about? Harmony One seems to be pretty much, boring sideways movement for quite some time. What are you excited about? And, that's exactly what I'm about to jump into. So, on the daily time frame, we can't really check and see the overall patterns that's been happening over the past 2 to 3 months. So, I'm going to zoom into the charts to give you guys a better picture as to what exactly is going on. You guys can see this is the, zoomed in version, and you guys can see we broke below this level of support back on June of this year for the first time ever. We've been consolidating below this zone for quite some time, but you guys can see we broke out of this level of resistance once, which was on August 12th. But guess what? Never managed to close above there because the selling pressure was too high, and we are still back below this level of resistance now. And if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we still are about, if I do measure this for you guys, we're still about 52% away from this level of resistance. Is this the time where we are going to see Harmony One finally break out into this pattern and really come over this FUD that we've been facing over the past few months? There's a lot of FUD coming in for Harmony One, but like I said, I'll say it again, all good projects will go through hurdles, and I want a lot of people to keep that in mind. Nothing is going to be a nice breeze. It's just not, everything's not just going to go in the favor of Harmony One. There's always going to be some sort of flaws here and there, and it's how they overcome it. It's how the team overcomes it. That's what I keep in mind. And I still believe in this project, and I still am a believer on this project as much as I was when it was hitting all-time highs. And this is one of the projects that is on my radar, on my personal radar. And again, this is me being quite transparent, and this is just my own personal opinion. I do believe Harmony One has what it takes to be one of the top currencies. But obviously they need to work as a team, come across all these hurdles, all these problems that they've been facing, and I believe if they really fix that, this project can be very promising and being one of the best projects in terms of performance in the next bull cycle. And if I'm looking at these prices right now, man, I wish this project stays around these prices. I personally do not want Harmony One to be above this level right now, because like I mentioned, I want to be scooping up my bags before this year comes to an end. My personal strategy is that I just want to finish accumulating until this December, or most probably until January of next year. And I just want to be done accumulating and just hold on my bags, but I want to pack up my bags. And Harmony One, I do believe, is going to be one of my top holdings in this next coming bull cycle. And I do believe, long-term perspective, I'm going to be looking back and seeing, oh man, I'm glad I picked some Harmony One up around that 2 cents mark. But again, I have done my due diligence and research when I have invested in these projects, and that's what I require you guys to do as well. Always do your due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. And let's not forget, look at this chart. Harmony One has 50%. Again, these numbers are a little inaccurate. 50% of its circulation supply, it's saying on staking rewards that it's stake right now, but it's around, about the same, to be honest. And now you may be asking, why is that such a big thing? 50% of the circulation supply is staked. Half of the market cap right now. That's massive. Now you may be asking, who cares? The reason as to why this is extremely bullish is because people are earning passive income off of Harmony One, because it's a proof of stake consensus at the end of the day. So you can stake your Harmony One and earn passive income. And when the bull market returns, guess what your holding gets to? It's going to get larger and larger. When the bull cycle comes, you're going to have a nice chunk. And, it's basically dividends at the end of the day. If you really do believe in the project, you always want to be staking it so you can earn some passive income off of it. And a lot of people are doing that. 50% of the, overall circulation supply stake right now. What does that tell you? That tells you the confidence of the holders and the team. I do believe when the things turn around, when the markets turn around, this project is going to be one of the projects that a lot of people will be looking back and wishing they were picking up around the cheap prices. And again, that's just my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. But right now, like I said, the next level of the next big target for Harmony One would be around this 3 cents mark. But I personally don't want it to go there, but you never know. We could be able to go there because we are seeing OG coins fly right now. A lot of coins are flying, a lot of good news coming left and right. So you never know. Harmony One could be the one that reacts to that as well. But that is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see the price of Harmony One go at the end of at the end of November 2023. Sorry, what am I talking about? November 2022. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys want me to cover Harmony One on a daily basis. I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.